Here's the script, hard-hitting, tech-forward, and packed with substance. 2026 won't be about bigger AI. It'll be about the AI that finally gets small. We've spent years chasing scale, bigger models, more data, more power. But the real breakthrough? AI that runs on your phone, your watch, even your earbuds, no cloud, no lag, no privacy trade-offs. And it's coming faster than you think. Here's the kicker, this isn't just about convenience. It's about a fundamental shift in how AI works. Right now, most models rely on brute force computation. But next-gen AI will use something called sparse activation *. Think of it like a brain that only fires the neurons it needs, when it needs them. That means 10x less energy, 100x faster responses, and models that can learn on the fly without melting your battery. Take healthcare. Imagine an AI that monitors your vitals in real time, predicts a heart issue before it happens, and alerts your doctor, all while running entirely on your smartwatch. No data sent to the cloud, no delay, no hackable servers. Just instant, private, life-saving intelligence. Or autonomous drones. Today's drones need constant cloud updates to navigate. Tomorrow's? They'll process everything locally, adapting to new terrain in milliseconds, no signal, no problem. This isn't hype. Apple's already testing on-device AI with iOS 18. Google's next Pixel will run full language models offline. And startups like TinyML are pushing the limits of what's possible with just a few milliwatts of power. The future isn't AI everywhere, it's AI * everywhere, instantly, privately *. And 2026 is when it goes mainstream. Want to stay ahead? Follow the companies making AI * smaller *, not just smarter. Because the next revolution won't be in the cloud, it'll be